In a cozy neighbourhood in Sydney, Roberto loved spending time in the kitchen with his grandma June. He wasn't just interested in eating delicious treats, he was fascinated by how ingredients came together to make something amazing. One afternoon, as he licked the last crumbs of a lemon muffin off his fingers, Roberto had an idea. "Grandma, can I make lemon muffins all by myself?" Grandma June smiled. "Of course. But let's make it a challenge. You only have $10 to buy ingredients." Roberto's eyes sparkled with excitement. He grabbed the money and ran to Mr. Patel's grocery store, where he carefully selected flour, sugar, eggs, lemons, and butter. But when he reached the counter, Mr. Patel shook his head. "Roberto, you've picked too much. Your total is $12. Roberto frowned. "Oh no. What should I do?" Mr. Patel chuckled. "That's the trick of smart shopping. You need to decide what's necessary and what you can adjust." Roberto thought hard and adjusted his choices to fit the budget. Instead of a big bag of sugar, he picked a smaller one. He also put back some butter since he remembered that Grandma June had a little left at home. Now, his total was $9.50, just under budget. Back home, Roberto carefully followed the recipe, mixing the flour, cracking the eggs, squeezing fresh lemons, and stirring the batter. He even remembered to preheat the oven, just like Grandma always reminded him. As the muffins baked, the warm, zesty aroma filled the kitchen. Ruby, his best friend, ran in, sniffing the air. "Roberto, that smells amazing. Can I have one?" Ding! The oven timer went off, and Roberto carefully pulled out golden, fluffy lemon muffins. He handed one to Ruby, who took a big bite. Her eyes widened. "These are amazing. You should sell them." Roberto's face lit up. "Sell them? That's a great idea." With Grandma June's help, Roberto set up a small table outside the house. He made a bright sign, "Roberto's Lemony Muffins, $2 each." At first, he felt nervous. What if nobody bought them? But then, their neighbor Mrs. Wong walked by. "Oh, homemade muffins. I'll take 2. Then, Mr. Patel himself stopped by. "I see you learned to budget wisely, Roberto. I'll take 3 muffins to share with my wife." Soon, one customer turned into many, and within an hour, Roberto had sold out all 10 muffins. He counted his earnings, $20. As Roberto excitedly held his money, Grandma June smiled. "Do you see what happened, Roberto? You started with just $10, bought the right ingredients, and now you have $20. Cooking isn't just about food, it's also about smart financial choices." Roberto grinned. "That means if I save some money and buy more ingredients, I can make even more muffins next time." Ruby clapped. "That's called investing. You're like a mini businessman." From that day on, Roberto and Ruby started a small weekend business, selling Roberto's Lemony treats. He learned how to budget, save, and invest wisely, all while doing something he loved, baking. Moral of the story: cooking teaches financial skills, budgeting, spending wisely, and creating value. A little planning can turn simple ingredients into a smart business. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.